Hey guys, PostPop399 here. Kirsten's not here yet, but she'll be here in a bit. So, today we're doing a trading. Yeah, the last one we did was, Kirsten called it Yas. She called it Yas. So that's, yeah. It was a weird name. I told her not to call it that, but she called it Yas. She felt like it, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna get on to trading. Kirsten will be here in a second, so I'm gonna get her out. Okay, Kirsten is at a giveaway. It's a really weird giveaway. I got kicked out because I wasn't good enough. It's a giveaway where you have to give compliments to people, and whoever gives the best compliments wins. No one's won yet, but Kirsten's still there. So she's gonna do that, and then we're gonna get on to the video. 30 minutes later.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, Kirsten's finally here. And guess what? She lost the giveaway. I knew she was gonna lose. She didn't need to waste her time at that stupid giveaway.
And if you hear thunder, because it's about to rain, I'm pretty sure.
And sorry for background noise, guys. And you will never discover the reason that Kirsten called her video Yas until you watch that video. So if you haven't seen that video already, go ahead and watch it. It's called Yas. It's fun.
Yeah, and if you want to skip to the end, that's the point where I knew where I was going to name it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Don't skip to the end. Don't tell them to skip to the end. You have to watch the whole thing.
Yeah, that too. Okay, so let's do this.
Let's go trade. Okay, guys. First attempt.
Should try for purple, not blue.
I'm trading for blue.
Then don't add. I think it's just like a pink one and the black.
Seriously? Just the
And
black
maybe
first?
and just take out the black. So you're gonna take out the black first, and then it will be fair. But I wouldn't trade the wrist because you need the wrist to trade for the purple. Remember?
Yeah. Wait, I think I might want to.
If you take out another thing, you gotta add another thing.
I think I'll just trade this.
Next, try for the purple.
And they declined. Kirsten.
I will try for the purple and trade the black first.
But I already did that and it didn't work. Second attempt, I think I'm going to accept this. I think I should accept Kirsten.
No, because all those you can get when Halloween starts.
Can?
And that was from How to Prove It.
This?
Yeah.
Oh. So decline?
Yeah. Not worth it. Tell them to add if you really want it.
No. Well, I decline that. So. Next attempt, it is an orange long royalty. That's what I thought. Oh, dang it. It just did that. Okay, I have requested someone. I already clicked done, and now I'm just waiting for them to accept or decline. I'm trading for a blue long.
And it seemed fair to me.
Yeah.
I'm nobody.
Decline.
They just literally declined.
We're gonna end the video here because I don't feel like trading anymore. So bye guys.
Bye.
See you guys in the next.
Bye. You don't know who I am.
You got the red Cupid wings?
Yeah.
For a warn?
Yeah.
Let me check how rare those are. Hold on, guys. Guys, Kirsten is amazing. She got these red Cupid wings right here for one worn blanket. A black one, right? A black worn. And it's worth 2 black long collars. But it is on low demand, so you wouldn't get it for the full value, but it's still really good, and Kirsten got it for that. So, yeah. Wait, what? How do you tell the difference between these? Obviously, different? I don't know.
They're different colors.
Well, yeah. That's amazing. So, bye guys. We're probably gonna call this video Yas 2.
Or yeah.
Like the other one.
Bye-bye.